But as we wrap up on our think tank as well, first of all, congratulations to all of you for listening to the budget and coming out with that great analysis. But some hours left for trade. What are you buying today?
So, it was business as usual except for the small this and that. But so I don't think there's a great need to tweak the portfolio based on the budget per se,
And what about you, Pankaj?
Yeah, I think my view is that we are seeing a consumer recovery in India. So I've been a buyer into consumer stocks for the last few months, and I think the kind of stimulus that we have had in the economy will play out over the course of the year. And probably I'm really looking forward to, I think we'll have the 8th pay commission coming by the end of this year, early next year. Plus on top of that, also don't forget, this is an election heavy year. We have 4 state elections this year, and early next year then we have UP, which is mother of all elections. Significant part of financial stimulus or fiscal stimulus now is also happening through state governments around elections. So I think even at the state level, we'll see continued pump priming of the economy. And I think that will support consumer demand and consumer recovery in the economy.
But your buying or selling has nothing to do with the budget, at least this time. It's a preset thing. Okay.
One good data point we were just discussing today morning is that corporate tax for collections for the month of December have actually been quite decent. They've been picking up. So hopefully that's some leading indicator.
Plus credit growth also looking okay. Okay, great. Nilesh, same question. If you were to be buying into the markets right now?
No, I think clearly consumer continues to be the strong area. I mean, we can't forget the fact that a lot has been done for the sector over the course of last 1 year. Two, there's been some decent correction in the cap goods space. Hopefully, if commodity prices come off, then that would probably kind of ease pressures on margins for them as well. And the whole focus on infrastructure in the budget reinforces the kind of growth prospects for a lot of those kind of companies. The third area is within the overall financial pack. If it was like both credit and capital markets play, I think it now kind of goes back to the credit play.
Okay.
And with obviously the economy booming, credit cycle coming back, probably I think the banks will have a better place to be. That's a better place to be versus the capital marketplace.
Got it. Okay. By the way, somebody's buying the data center stocks. Anantraj is up 11%. But Manish, final word with you before we wrap up. What are you buying, if anything?
I've had this view, somewhat contrarian. India tech is a better way to own India global AI if you were an Indian investor. And I think, made this point in your show that I kind of think that India IT and tech will do decently well in the next couple of years. I think that's a better bet.
I thought one of you will say, I'm buying a movie ticket for the rest of my Sunday.
Abhi to ja raha hu. Dhurandhar is on Netflix.
I thought people will watch the Djokovic match.
2 is not yet on. Dhurandhar 2 is not yet on, right?
No, it's not. No, on Netflix, number 1, Dhurandhar 1 has come.
Dhurandhar has come.
Yeah.